Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you all how to correct the orangey or brassy tones in your wig. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you are not new, thank you so much for joining me back. This method is not going to work for any knots that are like a yellowish tone. It's only to correct orange or brassy knots. If you have not already seen my full how to bleach your knots on your lace wig video, I highly recommend to watch that video before you watch this video. That way you can understand what knots are, how to bleach them, and why they change the colors that they do. I will link that video right here. It should pop out to you. You can just pause this video, come back to it. So today's video is only about how to correct knots that has been turned to like an orangey or a brassy type of color, not anything else. So make sure you go watch the bleaching tutorial because it will not be in today's video. This hair right here is from Sogoodhair. This is the wig that I will be working with. I will put more information throughout the video about it and my thoughts. You can also check the description box below this video. Well, I'll tell you guys all about it in the video. So if you want to see everything, make sure you keep on watching and let's jump right in. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that bell. To correct your knots, you will need toners, and I will be using two different toners today just to demonstrate differences between the two. I will be sure to link all the products I use in the description box if you all want them. The toner that you need to use will be determined by the color of your knots. So my knots are orange in color and also brassy, so I will be using a toner that is for brassy or orange. So you will need a bowl and also a utensil that is not metal. I will be using the T14 toner for today's video. And the T14 is a cool tone, which will help with the brassiness and the orange. If your knots are yellowish, you will definitely need another toner. This will not correct the yellowness, only orange tones. It is recommended to use a 20 volume developer when mixing your toner. All the products I'm using will be down in the description box. So just mix everything together, and when you're done, it should look almost like Jello pudding, almost. Pudding, that actually sounds good. Thumbs up if you like pudding. I know I do. All right, so that's the consistency, and as you can see, it is ready to be applied. You will need to get you a foam head if you want to do this very neatly. You can find these at Sally's. I will also link those below, but I'm just going to take that mixture and apply it all over the inside of the lace. Now, there is plenty of ways to tone your wig. I have even tried hair dye, but if you are just using hair dye mixed with conditioner, just know that it will stain the lace. So this right here is the safest way. So you want to let that process for 30 minutes and then rinse. While that's processing, I'm going to show you a different wig, and I will be trying this one with the T15. I'm testing the T15 on another wig that I will show in Sunday's video, so I will not show the results in today's video, but if you come back Sunday for my video, I will share it then. Now remember, I'm doing this on knots that have already been bleached. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, and this is the T14, and as you can see, it turned a bluish tint over top of the lace. And the T15 turns like a beige type of color, so both toners do something different. And like I said, the T15, I will show the results in my upcoming video, so make sure you turn on post notifications and that you are subscribed. I've already rinsed out the T14, and this is how the knots look. And this is the T14 toner. It looks really good. It toned down all that oranginess, and I feel like this color knots is good for browner skin. These are the two products I use to tone the knots for today's video. And the wig in today's video comes from Sogoodhair. I will be sure to link all their information down in the description box. The one thing I don't like about this wig is the smell. I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig so we can see how well the knots look after toning them. Alright, so right off the top, I can tell you I do not like the lace on this wig. The hairline was a little bit off, so it was I really like the hair. The hair is really soft. It has this light, loose wave to it. But I am not a fan of the lace on this wig, to be honest with you guys. Hair is really soft and the hair has been washed already. Let me zoom in so you all can see the knots and see how they toned. So as you can see, the knots are not orange at all. They look really, really good. So the T14 toner works really well, and this is the toner that turned blue. And as you can see, my knots do not look orange at all. Now, if you do this and you notice that you have some spots that may like you have missed or something like that, you can always go back and tone again to make sure it's even. But for me, I think it turned out pretty good this time, so I don't need to go and do that. Really love the way the knots look after I tone them. And like I said, I will show you guys how the T15 looks in my next upcoming video, most likely in Sunday's video. Today's Thursday, so it'll be in Sunday's video if you guys want to see that. I'm not going to do any styling as far as curling to this hair or anything because I really like the way it looks. Beach vibes, very pretty for the beach. You can find all the information on this wig down in the description box that's right below this video. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you are not new, click that bell so that you can be notified. Otherwise, my videos will never be seen and you will lose my channel. All right, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Mwah.